Hey everybody, welcome back. We're back to this 220J little project, not a restoration. Uh, let's see if you can see it. It's been brush painted. Let's see if you can. I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's not in the best shape. But we're just going to get it running. Kids, neighbors, what? Somebody needs to borrow a lantern. Get one that's safe and that runs, and they can use it. And if they drop it in the river, I won't be so upset. But all right, let's see what's going on here. Reassembly. Put your collar on. Turn your stem sideways. Put your collar on. Now you're going to have to squeeze your stem just a little. Your collar just a little bit. Turn that stem sideways to get it through the hole. All right. And leave it up. All right. Got your valve wheel. Slap it on. Take your screwdriver. You got your screw already in it. Now that's smart. Dropping my screwdriver. There it goes. Get down towards it. When you're almost done, just make sure your arrow is pointing to the top on your little face plate that goes in there. All right. That's unusual. There it goes. More better. All right. Now, take your burner frame, which I've done put some mantles on. There ain't but really one way for this thing to go. It just sits right down on top, just like that. Okay. Now, take your plate, just scoop it down in there under your nut. Well, in this case, I'm going to have to screw the nut up because it was on upside down. I'm trying to put it back on the right way. Let me lift all this right back up. Just screw that up. Okay. There we go. Now that slides right under. Then just tighten your nut down on top of your spacer. See what I'm doing right there? Just tightening this. Put that in. Turn correctly. Take your 1/2 inch and just tighten it down. That's really what holds it all together. Just like the 200s is this one nut right here. In this case, it's just all attached to the valve assembly and right under your generator is the difference instead of having a separate threaded piece. All that good. Now, turn this up. Everybody knows how to put in a generator. Now, I did not clean the other generator. I just had one that I'd already cleaned. I hope it works. We're going to find out. That's for sure. Let's put the nut on here. Got my hook hanging out the bottom. You know, sometimes I find it easier to turn the lantern sideways. Come on. Here's my hook. Alright, it's in. Alright. And I didn't spend a lot of time on generator installation because I put that in other videos too. This is really mainly on how easy it is to take apart and reassemble one of these 220J lanterns. If you want to restore yours, you restore them all about the same way. You can go back and look through some of the videos and find one that you know, shows you how to restore it. Breaker's turning good. You might be in business. There's a little bit of fuel in it. Let's see how that does. Now, go ahead and light our mantles. So it's a little cockeyed. Some Colemans. Try this. Hope this old generator works. Oh yeah. It's the generator. It's an old one. There we go. Probably the first time this thing's been ran in a long time. Put a drop of oil down in here. Well, friends, not the prettiest lantern in the world, but we got us a runner, and that's what we wanted. We got a user. Man, I appreciate you being in the shop, and I hope this helps you. Everybody take care, man.